Hey, it's Rachel from eventkit. Now, we've been talking a lot about AI over the last couple of weeks, and this ChatGPT has taken off. 1 million users in 5 days is huge. So, no doubt in the next couple of months, we'll all be interacting with AI a lot more than we did ever before. So, I've been checking it out, deep diving, finding out what it might mean for us in events. Now, I've been having a chat with ChatGPT, and this is what I've come up with. And it's pretty bloody amazing, given that I played with it for about 2 minutes and came out with 1 million ideas to pitch to a new client. So the scenario that I played was that I have a startup event planning business that we provide event management services for large-scale public outdoor events, which is actually true. Not so much of a startup, but let's say I am in this case. And then I'm pitching for a new client. It's a community festival. I want to win that tender for full service event management, design to delivery, and their theme is community connection, and that I need to propose 3 creative concepts to win that tender. This is what ChatGPT came back with instantly, within 15 seconds. Came with 3 concepts. One was connect and create, one was street party, and one was back to the roots. Now you see highlighted in blue, not only did it come up with concepts, but it actually talked about the activities that could happen at the event and how the community would interact with those activities. There's large-scale sculptures made out of recycled materials. The street party would have multiple stages, live music, maybe they'd have a block party and they would close down the whole street. Back to the roots, that's really about community cultural engagement and discovery. Now, these aren't revolutionary ideas, I get that, but they came up with those ideas within seconds. And I guess what I think is amazing about this is that it really frees up our brains to not start from scratch every time, to actually be prompted and inspired by these ideas. And from this platform, we're then going to take it off to the next level. Now, the way ChatGPT works is that you interact with it. You don't just ask one question and get one answer. You actually build on each of the questions. So I started with that question, setting the context, and then I asked more questions. So my next question was, can you rephrase the above table and put it into columns? Can you rephrase the above text and put it into columns? So the first column listing has the concept, and then the second column lists the event activities. I've then built on that and said, can you add a third column listing 2 points about how this benefits the community? So most tenders will require that you really build on your concept and give meaning to it and some background about why they're beneficial. So instantly, I have a table that lists 3 pretty solid concepts for a community festival, 3 lines of activity that are really quite diverse from each other, and then the community benefits that come from each of those for the event. Not only have I done that, but I've then said, can you list out some creative ideas for innovative yet affordable event styling props and colours that are relevant to any of these concepts? And bang, sure it does. It lists styling props, it lists colours for each of those concepts. And so within about 10 minutes of my time, I actually have 3 fully fledged event concepts that I can then build on to put into my pitch. It really is revolutionary, and I'm so excited and terrified about this, but I thought I would share with you, and I really encourage you to jump on this and just check it out and really become familiar with it yourself, just so you can see what's out there, because no doubt this is going to change a lot of things in the industry.